Gwaan ENT.
Rule of Almighty God wants every honor lighter in our ear now.
Yeah. Now remember, if you know not love, you know not God, because God is love. No, this is a song.
Bless you and bless it first.
It's everlasting. And we love that. Stone love sound. We love this sound, yeah. Saying?
Yes, God, and kick it off.
Our Father who art is
all who love God, let me see your right hand in our ear. Put up your right hand in our ear. We can bless up the thing, yeah. Yeah, man, burn on some iniquity, you know. Burn on some warrior worker, you know. Put up some light hand in our ear, you know. Father's get that, carry that, crew that place. Light up the place. Hey, light up the beach. Light up the beach.
Lord is a shepherd, I shall not want.
Oh, but jump. Jump.
Maketh me to lie in green pastures.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Leadeth me beside the still water.
All who love God, listen. Remember soon on our way. We have been on right to left, right to left, left to right.
He restoreth my soul.
Open the ear.
Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you see.
I don't know if I talk about soul of David. I don't know talk about clash.
Sometimes
I don't know say soul of hey. Be the one.
Well, if a son want to say, tell him to try. Nothing beat to tell you like a
Hey,
friend,
my boy.
This tool of sound and
Big up Lennox Lewis in our building.
wing pick up from
Yeah.
a fly, them and fly.
Yeah.
We want people that die.
Who knows the word? Fly like bird.
Somebody a go dead. Some
Happy Monday, screw. Big up on yourself.
Yeah. See me with me gun, not think me.
Addis Ababa
All the
International.
man who say the woman can't body up, put up your gun on.
So I'll bring this grace and pour response off your face. You attack off your mouth. I don't want to know.
Neither toothpaste.
From your distant love, you cannot get them right.
Yeah. Then I go step in your face.
Girl, you in your waist and make you know you're out of place.
You know?
Disrespect, convict, we escape. I will be a man, a linger with great.
Them says I lift my edge up to the influence cometh my head cometh from Jah, who made heaven and earth. Who God bless? All right, all God bless people again. The people that got whoop your man sometime, keep your hand on your side. All who love Almighty God, 200 a year upon the beach. 200 a year. 200 a year upon the beach. All who love Almighty God, make you bless the place before the hey. Why? Light time at the bombard place. Why? Shadow. Hey. You know? Yeah. Big up all who come from Europe, big up on yourself, Germany, Italy, no matter where. All over the entire world. I wish DJ put on full black. Black eye glass and go up on the scene and say, people dead. Fire!
Stone love in a miniature fell.
You know?
Bullet in your head.
We must have real shell.
Yes, it's stone love, don't you take them pan up a hurt.
Hey!
Now you better now this on the dirt.
Stone love in a concert.
Yes, old boy. Say your body.
Me don't know what Negril wants, you know, but me have to ask them.
Half a second, well, you must get hurt, them get in the middle of downtown.
All who want to hear some wicked tune tonight. I don't want the only one Stone Love kill Rodigan. That's the one. All right. Yeah. Mina. Them are ready for that TV. On the black plunge repenter. Remember me tell you, well, this is not an all night thing, so we'll just go burn some tune and make you know what Gwaan, cause Rodigan and Stone Love, this should be an all night event, straight back till 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. I don't know if it's real why Rodigan can't last so long still. Yeah. But I want to reach out to all the sound people and the Stone Love fans them all over the world. This is the original.
Stone love. No ice cream sound. Love with all the people of the world.
Watch this up light night when Stone Love people in there. Light night dancehall.
I don't want no ice cream sound. That is too cold for me.
Shabba.
I don't want no ice cream sound, that is too soft, you see. Hey,
Lot of mercy.
Yeah.
I want a sound that give me back each and every night.
Addis Ababa
Tonight on the
International.
bus, Negril, I see this. 6 selector in a one dance.
Back even in the day.
Billy Slaughter, Richie Wheeling, Diamond, Iceberg, Chris Cross, Bill Cosby. All the real Shabba lighter in here.
Come on, the jig, how we know we legit.
Whoa.
Whoa!
We have a little artist who come from the Mandeville. Let's see the Mandeville artist.
We must have find a place to dance in this jungle created by mankind.
Yeah.
Where will I hear
Richie feeling the wake up.
good music play?
All right.
Tell me how I'll find a peace of mind. Love
Yeah.
some certain way. Oh Lord, man and man must ensure them way.
To the bang 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 ding.
I feel like listening Stone Love instead.
Yeah, man.
So I'll find me where Stone Love will be.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll take me over into the valley.
Why me here ready to play some early Dubplate a while ago we're bad. But the Dubplate is better than every other Dubplate in the world.
Even know, the Stone Love sound will play every time a sound can wait.
That Dubplate I can Grammy and Jammy and everything, yeah. Whiny Wonder!
And let us stay young, let us stay forever. Don't have the powers, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit like
33 years in the business, the world of Martin, greatest sound.
forever young. I wanna be forever young.
Wicked every time.
And Stone Love is gonna play forever.
Big and serious. Me and Rodigan play Welcome to Jamaica. All Jamaica we know so nobody can body up. Right here, Gwaan and tall in the ear. You better take your bad like away. Wicked like away. Bad like away. Wicked like away. And I big up them stress.
Have mercy.
All who come to see some sound dead. Want to put up some light and gun on in a Negril. Walk one.
Mama, 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 Stone of Sound a murderer.
Stone of you run the border.
Papa,
Put up the light on them. Go down in the ear. Over there, so up there, so. Whoa.
Sound for dead.
Hey.
Stone Love, you not see it, gun land. Gunshot for us up in a sound boy head.
I mean, say, people, are you ready?
Us up in a sound boy. Them never hear when friend Rory said. Rama Sound is the program.
Roll over, roll out. And we are sure so we're the biggest and baddest sound in our business. So Capleton.
So many more will have to suffer, and many more will have to die. No ask we for why.
Yeah.
Don't love why. You want someone?
Yeah.
His name, Bill no couple and prepare to die. Who rise against his own love, they shall surely die. Bill no couple who no deserve to die. Who rise against the
Let me tell you something. Yo, we have too much tune for playing that early here. Yo, that tune here, when we play that tune, I want to see every lighter when they on the beach turn on.
Indefinite. You know what turbulence to future and for soul.
We're not even have to introduce that tune here.
On immortal sound. Stone Love. Even though, yeah, we'll probably go plus side to see it roar. Yeah, man, Richie feelings, you're respectful in these times. Billy Slaughter, Chief Force, yeah, man, Diamond. You know, Bill Cosby, Holy Man, when I was last year. Ciao.
Mr. Mo wants every lighter when they on the beach turn on. If you don't know that tune, you know it's a bad tune. What if Latin? Big Grill!
Turn down Stone Love.
Addis Ababa International.
One of the most.
Well, on there, let me show you the thing, how thing right now, because this is the first Negril I can see this 6 selector in a one dance, and it's a Stone Love anniversary. Bill Cosby!
I saw it set, you know, a party thing, and you don't know. Big up Father Rodigan, Father for anyway. You understand? So, roll out again.
Indefinite. You know what turbulence to future and for soul.
Request to all Negril crew, I saw it going on here.
Down. Stone Love. Even though, yeah, we'll probably go plus side to
Big
see
up Chief Foster likewise. Father Rory, you don't know.
Chief Force, yeah, man, Diamond. You know, Bill Cosby, Holy Man, last year. Ciao. Rastafari.
All the people that don't fear nobody but God right now, put your hand in the air. All who know nobody can disrespect you, put your hand in the air. Light and free up. Tell them.
Stone Love could have been one of the most.
That tune right now for some people who don't like you in life. Because you have some people them born bad mind and envy and grudge. All who know nobody can stop you, that one your name.
myself and stone love. Stay so far up, you don't know. Hey, you with your feelings, make up myself. Stay so Bill Cosby, Chris Cross, stay so Rory Diamond, you don't know.
All who say God don't for never rise your light in here. What the clean out the people in there? Free upside down.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. Stone love, no one can stop you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong.
I'm gathering stone of Rodigan, say it's him.
It's for you to make the best in life.
Well, a 6 over there tonight, a murder. First in the world, our history. Negril will see this. Everything alright, ready again. And that's true enough for the people who give thanks and praise to life every day when you wake up out of your bed. They get because enough man going on and enough them going to wake up back. You understand me? So all who give thanks and praise to life, that one your name.
You want a Phantom more job, bless it up, you know. Stone Love sound and a rebel sound. Terrible sound against jump and sound. Richie Phoenix, big up yourself, my dada. Chris Cross, some boy for the mask.
All who believe in life right now, turn on your lighter. Turn up your light up on the beach.
We pound.
If you're rich with the life of Father, God give you a lighter. We want to see you lighter them turn up. If you're not violated, take out your cell phone and turn it on. We want to see the light. Turn them up.
When I rang,
turn them up.
This morning,
yeah.
I see love.
Love in front of me.
You're walking.
Hey.
When I rang, nice. Early this morning.
All the man and the woman who up on the beach right now who love themselves, sing the party. If you respect and love yourself, sing the party.
Again, well, it not take nothing at all. Impress me in what we doing. It not take nothing at all. Fear the king.
Yeah.
Tell us I the king of all kings. It not take nothing at all.
Fear the king.
Impress me in what me doing.
And as I'm saying, David Rodigan first with Stone Love, so you know I'm murder in the night. You get me, I say. So the one that right now request to all who come out for enjoy themselves and have a good time. Kill a roll out.
Cross, angry, me he's a rebel. Stone Love, stone, sincerely. Stone Love killing them dearly. These motherfucking fools should maintain.
All who come for a good time right now, enjoyment, Stone Love Rodigan, side go.
We proud, ain't no long story. We killing some boys' glory. It's Bounty Killer, the 5-star general. The head of
all who is about to turn up your lights again.
My eyes can see more clear.
Hey!
Stone Love sound killing them here.
Hey!
Seems like them in a dream.
Yes, sir.
We lead them on a murder scene.
Ready?
Stone Love, we treat them bad.
You know.
Them shouldn't make we get so mad.
I tell you.
You know them look so sad. We give them all the bullets we have.
We go so then again.
Them don't know what to do. Stone Love sound killing you.
Alright.
We hurt you, yes it's true. And the pint we are gonna give to you.
Ready?
It's okay.
Me no want a man tell me no lie. All the man who know say woman alone you love right now, put your hand in the air and turn on your lighter. If you look put on the lighter and phone light.
Even a Stone Love. You know, when I first saw all the turbulence from Ethiopia, Africa, presently residing in Jamaica. Yeah, man, representing the big sound, the boom sound, the marmor sound, you say it. Stone Love! Even the Richard Fieldings play this music, I don't know, say, when I ramp in a way power. Yeah, man, Rory. Big up yourself now. Yo, Billy Slaughter, G-Fox. Yeah.
The one that request to all the money for you have a girl in your life. All of the real girls is them right now. Listen to you now. Wake up.
It was love at first sight, but Stone Love saw you that.
Yes, I am. And I know from this moment.
Her thoughts and her deep.
I'll tell you.
Goosebumps came all over me when I look into her eyes.
All the money who have a girl in your life right now. If she interested, super tell her straight.
I need your name and number where you reside. I need her by my side. I need her name and number where you reside. You know what the feelings get high. I need your name.
Here's the father Aston Skeng down. All the money who will never smoke coke. Turn on your ganja lighter now. What the real ganja man? They blink your lighter. Ganja man.
Hey officer, take these handcuffs off for me. I can't take it any.
What the real ganja man in the boy? Ready again.
Wow. And why you acting like you've never seen a
boom draw
of my kiki weed before?
And the running mountain stone of a roll out. Palm drop.
But no, you're telling I am not easy to follow you.
Alice Baba International.
Yes, sir.
I'm in a drug smuggling.
Swell
yeah, I school up in a the juggling. My herbs is all I've got. Wow, tell me what you're looking at.
Big up to the man who plant the weed and import it and export it. What the authentic ganja man then again?
I plant a little tree in my front yard.
What?
A precious little tree in my front yard.
Hey.
Oh, where's the rights for the stream? Stone of immortal.
Hey.
See the found up on the wise man tomb. I take it and I swear.
So big up to the boss father for anywhere in the world. G first like Father Rory. Ready again.
Yes. Nothing in this world like so loving at the dance sound. Let it feel so fine.
Somebody run for striker. Pass me the lighter. Right I know we comfy but not all weed fighter. Stole up on the weed and now we get brighter. Doctor you see weed and go cure all gaiter. And the weed make man ask up for light.
You have some people them bad mind. All who now watch and chat nobody if that tune hurt your feelings stand up one place. Why go?
Stone loved up, apologize to nobody boy. If you this last year, me gunshot your boy. Yourself in a field plastic.
All the man who know you're not lie down with them man later on. Put your gun finger in the air. What the man that they put on the gun on? Right up in here.
Stone loved up, apologize to nobody boy. If you this last year, me gunshot your boy. Hey! You wanna the girl because I don't know about the joy. In the lake of fire, me dash your boy.
Ready?
Stone loved up, apologize to nobody boy. If you this the woman, them the gunshot your boy.
Again.
Give me the one of the girl because I don't know about the joy. Hey, Stone love sound. The girl them sexy and them pretty sexy girls don't love gangsters looking at somebody.
All the man who know say woman for real say woman. God!
Stone love now. Oh, prayer.
Don't not cheat you, boy. Whoa! Hey. A murder. A stone of soul. I swear to myself.
Them tying up some men so we do not keep friends with.
That we hear some boy I do.
Say them one war with this stone love grow. Them got this.
Yeah, some man have guilty conscience, so them can't put the man in the ear. All the man for the man can't take off your underwear. Every man top the sky. Top the sky. Stone love not. Ah, pray. Do not cheat you, boy. The man who not power in the gear. The man who not bad mind. Ready again.
Inspired me on the blasted in farmers.
Got their eyes on me, I'm free.
Stone love is the greatest club sound that they ever grew.
Father Oscar Skate.
That's why pagans desperate.
If you're an informer, keep your on your side. All the money who know you're not informer, put the AK over the wall. Over the wall!
And some people and gun and run out of them. Judgment and food.
Ready again!
So serious driving along with fight against me. You wanna take it?
Stone of sound.
That's why pagans inspired me on the blasted in farmers got their eyes on me. I'm free.
Stone love is the greatest boom song that they ever quite see.
That's why pagans inspire me.
If you never be a since night, keep your on your side. All who show you beer before you come right now. Two and start up the sky. Stop the sky. And some big lamb can drive run out. Up there. Tonight them say a David Rodigan versus Stone Love. Roll out, Richie, feel it. Roll out.
Them sound they already. How you be trying this Stone Love sound and where them feel like. Them done then already. Them come hype in a dance and Stone Love pop up.
Alice Baba International.
Stone somebody sound with the real hype.
All who respect Butcher Banton, start blink your lighter. Blink your lighter, hey Butcher.
If I show them all them 6 pounds, when Stone Love and Dove sound, well we don't respect. Near and far distance. When beat them up, now we putting up slaughter. Enough sounds and we enemy. Enough sound boy turning a mercenary. We from body and me here and next sound berry. Don't see no civil war or so much casualty.
Bomber drop. And we have to say big up to Father Rodigan, because you don't know. Them man there are create waves right on the road, so if you show him respect, you understand me. Enough respect Father Rodigan, you don't know. But a total niceness tonight in a Stone of David Rodigan, you don't know. It's a party thing, an enjoyment thing, so yeah, so it's said. So right about now that tune for the people who know say, when you light your stove, a fire come. You get to me and say, if you go burn a spliff and have your lighter and turn it on, a fire come when your weed start blaze. So the man who know is an authentic ganja man that will never smoke coke. That one year one.
Nothing can stop this fire. It only I go blaze them higher. Yeah, I'm not rich, what's on yeah. Slaughter, I'm not the cause the iceberg deep us life, man.
All who know say coke we kill but ganja make you want a deep meditation. What the ganja man them there?
Stone love I'm blazing hot.
Stone love we blazing and blazing. I just can't stop.
I'm blazing hot.
Yeah.
Don't even try to go call the brigade or the cop. I'm blazing hot. Stone love blazing.
If you have a lighter nose and a chichi man a bite gear right now, start blink it. Start blink your lighter. Start blink them, blink them, blink them. It be fire, 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 fire. Blink them.
Fire, 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 fire.
Blink them up.
Fire, fire, fire.
Mr. Blink them up. Every man start jump for your half on a man shoes. Run, come stand up in the fire. Never hear. If you have to pay rent for your shoes or your van, stand up one place. All who now have on a man shoes, every man for your bump on your toe.
Come on everyone.
Well, this is fire. Every man for your bump on your toe. Blazing this fire. Stop back on your toe them now.
Come on everyone. Well, this is fire time.
If nobody now tell us say your arm molded, 2 in the year and start turn it up now. Turn it up in Missouri, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey.
Turn it up.
Hey.
Burn it up.
Yeah.
Where you lighter? Burn a fighter. Where you lighter? Burn back fight.
Well.
Where you lighter? Burn a die.
Yeah, some man say I make some money in life, but just so them bad mind you. Them can't certain people find you, but we not talk.
Careful you.
Hey, Bujo.
Slow love we run up in the fence and we food get stuck off. 7 on me base bus and everything lost.
Hey!
This much of them are act tough, me check it them soft. Who sell me up and who I walk crap.
Ready?
Now we drop a road, we hear some fussy wall a lot.
You know.
We used to wear Prada, now we have to wear cloth.
True.
Benz in a foreign but
I walk, we a walk.
I was the country now who them used to call bar.
Yes.
Contown buildings, black sand park.
Yes.
Enough call the shots and we make the last.
Come on.
Looking back, some sound was really filled with flaws. In a the fast lane with no time to pass. Them gang in a foreign with another man a flop.
Mama drop. That's what it's it. You understand? As I said tonight in the massive 6 already, so we are dealing these things. You understand me? So that tune right now of the people who know what is hard life. Because you don't know, so Jamaican people get the most fight in life, but we still a fight this struggle. Enough man sell weed, we send them picnic at school and them thing there. The people who know what is hard life, me I talk about people who send them chicken back and bully beef and them thing there. Me I talk about authentic ghetto people. All who know hungry feel like I used to name bread and butter and drink some water. That one your name.
Let me tell you something. A Fantan Moja defend the Stone Love sound right now. I see Stone Love sound.
I'll get a man and get a woman. That one your phone.
Them come right up. We don't left out poor people, so I don't defend poor people and bun slave master down a town.
When you get to people in the turn on your lighter,
Stone Love
turn up your lighter. Stone Love say mama hungry, papa hungry. Play it.
A Fantan Moja defend the Stone Love sound right now.
Hey!
I see Stone Love sound. We play for the lower class of people them. Come right up. We don't left out poor people, so I don't defend poor people and bun slave master down a town. Let me tell you.
All who know you believe in yourself, turn on your lighter.
Love song.
Fire!
Stone Love say mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door.
Well.
Tell them mama hungry, papa hungry, brother hungry.
You have some man gonna jail for what them don't know about.
Do something for the
All who have somebody in a prison right now, that tune you hear.
Another man your wife, prison life, never nice. Prison life and no nothing like paradise.
We no love jail. Our road we want jam. School.
Addison Baba International.
You know. Registration. Let me hear the fire system. Flop up. Me believe say no man must not lie with the next man. It's written in the Bible, say if a man lie with the next man, he shall put to death. All the man who not sleep with no man, turn up your lighter, you know why?
When Shatta got jail, me no empty, no deal. Fly me no bleed too real.
We have weed fast here.
Me lawyer a big Queen's Council, so me never worry about bail.
When Shatta got
jail, father sending female high grade.
You have some people that watch and chat enough.
Prison food.
One them a watch and chat, look on them and tell them I do not check the body.
bite alright.
Ready?
I love when I like my mom.
Hear me now.
All the girl them.
What are you saying, Billy Slaughter? What are you saying?
Yeah, I sing boom bye bye in a body boy.
Again. When I say more, me want to see the fire. More. What the fire them there? Fire. Then two man. Yeah. Ready.
Send for the matic and the Uzi instead.
You know.
Shoot the body boy come make we shot them dead. Just look panda.
Nowadays massive. And no Kingston alone at. The whole of Jamaica get wicked. Nowadays if you watch yourself. Let me tell you something in Jamaica now.
Never know who the run come this. I chat about them 9 well Chrome and Chris. West to love with a fear no sound. Man a bad man, man a bad man.
What are they know?
Certain sound I up and I send the tray. No,
the man who no man now kiss you. No boy can't put no icky on your neck.
Man a bad
man.
Push up your one in the ear if you're not a team. We no kiss, we no caress, and we no wappy man. We only wappy team, wappy share and a wappy.
Ready?
A regular thing for me, we get out of the
Get me. I want family thing this enough. Big up Father Rodigan. But we are bringing forth to the world right now. My dopes, my friend for life, Richie Feelings. Make a 5-spirit youth. What you say?
Well, it's a Bill Cosby, everything alright. Well, Negril, Norman Manley Boulevard, everything alright. I want to say good morning to everybody went there. I understand. Big up all the tourists, them, you know. Big up all Jamaicans there. Anywhere you come from, just big up yourself, because it's like a world link up, a global link up. You understand? Big up all the Rasta them were there, because everything alright. You see that song right now? Reaching out to all man who love Punani right now. If you don't love Punani, something wrong. All the man who love Punani right now, when that song you play, you're going to take out your lighter. Because that song your name?
You see that little piece of ranking meat?
All the man who have a lighter, take out your lighter, let me see them here now. Blink your lighter, them for the woman them. What the man who love boom boom they know. That one there, that one there. In name love Punani, in name love Punani. Punani, nani, 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 nani. Hey, oh man, you love Punani. Watch you know. All of the man them when know them never own. No should up on the one and say ya.
Kevin, you know we swinging and ready.
Bounty killer. That one on here. Hey.
Punani are dead tonight.
Yeah.
We come to run your coochie red tonight.
All right.
We tell them
Big up Links Radio, Links TV in our place. All right. What we say?
Oh no, listen that part, yeah.
Cause we no long talker. Diamond and Cosby, Iceberg and Billy Slaughter.
Listen, Mr. Walker, stop it to your daughter. Make you take the larger.
All right.
Well, are you?
All the man never glad say when you come in here, you see a one heap of woman. Put your hand in the ear. If you not get one, put up your lighter. That one there, that one there.
Take these words of the vine.
Take the words of the vine.
Whoa. Tell her to be fine. I never go astray.
We're on the tree to go before David Rodigan.
The vine to black woman right away.
Big up all the people that have a 9 to 5. All who are work for your things right now. Put your lighter in the ear.
Addis Ababa International.
West to love, tell them say there is no time to get.
Yeah.
Some comfort story to back her up. I ask to a love create. Tell them chance the world. Tell them chance the
Big up all of the girlies them. That one they have food one. That one
So it's a time after time. If you know. I'm here so wait for the powers.
Big up the DJ Vibes Cartel, yeah?
Up to the time, diamond. You know templates are tailored like nylon to the phone.
Jamaica! Well, bad man.
Look man, then fly room, door and foot man. Fire pan, cook man, plus man, then a woman, then do man, yeah, where you man.
G4.
Must it up, one man, go up another man, cause daddy are brother man. Other man keep on, must stand, but other man sleep, but never in a setup.
Yeah, Bill Cosby.
Make money, get money, take money, stash money in a bank book.
Cash money.
More money, more trouble, more weed, more sugar, more fit. Trouble, more gal, more sex, more car, more flex, more food, more message in a text. More shot of friend, more Uzi and text. Stone lock flex and a boy get flex, but bad man not check the hide.
Bad man not, yeah. But I'll tell you like the beach party is nice, you know. David Rodigan featuring Stone Love. But I'll tell you like everything alright. Because the promoter for that one, yeah. Skeng down everything alright. You understand? Don't forget every Wednesday, it's all about Weddy Wednesday. Check out that at 41 Burlington Avenue.
You figure that you can live through them and them.
There's Bill Cosby.
Not such, no bro.
Richie Feelings.
Alright, listen. When you're up, you're up. See them a gather up. When you're down, you're down. Treat you like a clown. You want some with a solid background. And at the same dirty boy from out of the compound. And on side one we run used to sit down. Man use cocaine and turn the place in a devil playground. Me never want me and the idiot them in a showdown. So take microphone and bring music spellbound. For me and daddy be sleeping at home. In a dance and shabba ranks no stop roll. This no Josie Wheel a chat on the microphone. King Stereograph that the new rise sound. We no DJ for position, we no DJ for crown. We here to elevate a musical sound. When you're up, you're up. See them a gather up. When you're down, you're down. Treat you like a clown, me get to understand. Say I saw people stay so me can't play the card. Feed them way. Tomorrow morning a hit song and play. DJ understand there is a cool out there. So while the sun a shine, yes you make a double A. If them erase one is here to stay. When you're up, you're up. See them a gather up. When you're down, you're down. Treat you like a clown. Safe and sound, that's solid background. Push me in, push me out, you can't turn me around. Now go be no puppy show, we are no puppet at town. Man, stand up on a solid ground. This technology, it can be shown. Grab a microphone and rock them home. Have lyrics more than a graveyard with skeleton bone. When you're up, you're up. Still them a gather up.
When you're down. Now we're going to St. Thomas, other end of the island. I love this piece. Bushman.
I'm a banner Billy cause another Sunday.
Stone Love.
So sad to see the tears fall from my rise, Lord.
The mighty.
Yeah, I'm Rodigan. It's all about
original Bushman.
And some pollution. And it's Bushman and you are Gwaan now. Rhythm track said speed. Let have mercy now. I will love.
Out to the Rodigan Dubplate basket.
Rodigan.
Hey!
Oh well. It's not the world. It's the people that lives in it.
Bush!
And I'm wondering when they'll make a change.
No!
Love. In this age and time, gotta know your purpose of living. It's only in this time the fittest can survive.
Bushman.
Oh, Lord.
Tell him.
God knows I hate to see
brothers killing brothers.
It was so sad to see the tears fall from my eyes, Lord. Yeah, I'm Rodigan. It's all about burning out some corruption and some pollution. And it's Bushman and you are Gwaan now. Rhythm track said speed. Let have mercy now. I will love.
You see, I like my dubplates to carry a message.
Rodigan.
Bushman.
It's not the world, it's the people that lives in it.
Negril.
And I'm wondering
Tambo
when
Village.
they'll make a change. Lord. In this age and time, gotta know your purpose of living.
Tambo Villa.
Only in this time the fittest can survive. Oh,
yes, Mr. Barry.
God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, a nation fighting among themselves.
Some old skank.
You me. It makes me wonder what will be the future.
Bushman.
Cause the children needs to play.
Tell him.
Well, what's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Lord have mercy now. Ain't nothing wrong with the world.
What?
No. It's the people that's in it. In it, in it, in it. Whoa, Lord have mercy now. Whoa, Lord, hey, whoa, hey. I'm just hoping for the day when we'll have universal peace.
Kalonji.
Yeah, me as a stay so David the Rodigan and the whole of England stay so I listen last year as well, man. Yeah, Rastafari. Me as a bomb the fire red. Yeah, you don't know music for the people, but then you keep up the red.
Gwaan ENT.
I think a judgment for them now.
Just like in the holidays, chop off the bag and then I let it. Come make me go mash them down with Nalos. We say that I hype them a hype. Prove them a prove. Rodigan mash them down in Nalos. We come from us, them down.
Hold on, Rodigan, hold on, Rodigan, hold on. Just remind the Mavis right now. There are 3 bars. I get you understand the bar on my right hand. Problem there. There's a next bar across over there, and there's a next bar in the middle right here. So the item who can't get served at 1 bar, there are 3 bars. So the posting, you understand what I say? My brother want 2 kids and kids, and I say, boy, a long time I can't be serving the Rodigan. 1 bar there, 1 over there, and 1 over there. So in the meantime, take the Rodigan, run it 1 more time, yeah. Sister Kalanji.
Rastafari. Me a so bomb the fire red.
Hey.
Yeah, you don't know music for the people, but then you keep up the red. Yeah. Anyway, I think a judgment for them now.
Hey.
Just like in the holidays.
The heavy duty sound of Stone Love.
Let them ready go. What make me go mash them down with none? We say that I hype them a hype. Prove them a prove. Rodigan mash them down in the handle. We come from us, them down. Little children, I say to honor your mothers and your fathers. Tell them again, I said to love your one another. Hey. Last year you proud. Baba said in November 1930. Ja. On the sound boy, me that's the Atalaba. Big up the youths of England and Addis Ababa. Them praise Selassie and the Heavenly Father. Babylon just then get rather. Rodigan the mass, Babylon don't win and lose. He said that I hype them a hype. Prove them a lose. But we go mash them, don't win and lose. Come make we go mash them down. Rodigan, burn Babylon and the democracy. Burn them Republican and them democracy. All they do is hurt the people. You got to let the people know the culture of this tree. Babylon, we mash them down, me not lose. She said that I hype them a hype. Prove them a proof, but we go mash them down, we not lose. Get it ready, got mash them down.
This coming Wednesday, Blase in the hills of Mandeville. Rodigan on bass, Odyssey. This coming Wednesday, Blase, the biggest hype all over Europe for Blase. Be there, experience it. The hills of Mandeville this coming Wednesday, Rodigan on the mighty bass Odyssey from St. Anne. And do remember, on your radio, on Hot 102, every Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, London Calling. Hear this.
Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of the light of this world. Jah! Rastafari is a fire burn! Equal rights and justice. Big up myself and David Rodigan, cause we born the dragon, I was strong. Yeah! Smoke the herbs and all the higher meditation, yo.
Mr. Barry.
Alright. I'm just sad like for you to know.
What?
At this appointed time. Yeah. We make music for the people. Keeping them happy. Little children living in love, going to school, express yourself.
Kalanji.
Gotta get along. This is how we're gonna get along.
Touch.
Tell them. Yes, you got to be strong and true on the best. Hey. The world is out there, conquer your fears, and don't you wait
too long.
You've got to be strong and true on the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fears, and don't you wait too long. David Rodigan, hey, all the doing long time you haven't seen them. All the people themselves no like a good behaving citizen. Nothing come easy, you got to work hard. I'm telling you, hope and pray for the best.
Addis Ababa International.
Not like the stereotype, cleanliness and chicken. If David Rodigan take a king, so I will believe in you. Burn out Babylon, that's you mischieving you. Hey, we tell you now, yes, you got to be strong and strong the best you can. The world is out there, conquer your fears. But don't you wait too long, David Rodigan say. You got to be strong, living clean, gosh, I love you. Tell them sell up and let the kites and get to you. That is the very thing.
Kalanji.
Separation. Just them doing anything. You don't make you do wrong. You let you involve in so many things. Not because I needed to go kill them for everything. Down the rape the lady, cannot even the little baby things. Love you one minute, that David Rodigan, tell them I say you the things. Yo, and praise the King of Kings, and tread upon the wings of wings, my people, yo. You've got to be strong. I'm sure the best you can. The best you can. It's out there, got on your face. Don't you worry too long.
Yo.
Be strong. The best you can.
Well, easy, Winston, Chief Engineer. This is the mighty Stone Love.
I heard so many sounds throughout my life. The only sound I've ever heard survive the test of time.
Maxi Priest
is Mr. Rodigan sound.
All the London posse.
From when sound class start
Maxi
till sound class done. Just remember who's the one. Whatever my eyes can see, my heart can feel. That's why I believe in love.
Maxi Priest.
Knowing my eyes can see, as sure as the deep blue sea.
All the London posse. Manchester, Birmingham, Bristol. It's the music they can't stop. It's the music that the media ignores. It's the music that the radio stations are frightened of. They don't know how to program it. It's the music of the people, the music of the streets across Europe, from the West Indies, rolling west and east around the world. The music we know and we love. Well, last time I saw Billy Slaughter in London, he said to me, Rodigan, what happened? You don't come to Jamaica again. Well, it's good to be back. Long overdue. Bill Cosby, with all due respect and honor. Father Powell, original Stone Love Diamond.
Listening to Rodigan on the dancehall floor.
What do you see on the flyer? It says Stone Love versus Rodigan. We'll count down to the 1 for 1. Hear this.
Yeah, man, I'm tell him so what's on the big good #1 champion sound. You know, Mr. Rodigan sound. You don't know, he's the father Rodigan. Hey. Yeah, Mr. Keep it real. I am here to fire, me say.
Yo, here's a Winston. Special request. Aline from the top.
Yeah, man, I'm tell him so what's on the big good #1 champion sound. You know, Mr. Rodigan sound. You don't know, he's the father Rodigan. Yeah, Mr. Keep it real. I am here to fire, me say kick them like a ball. Yeah, man, I make them know so one royalness, kick it and let it loose. Yeah, them should know Rodigan champion sound. No. Yeah, man.
Stone Love.
Yeah. Rodigan go burn them down. Yeah. Burn them. Rastafari now. Yeah. Hey. Don't boy dead and gone. Far, far away.
Far.
Rodigan, will you lead them with the plate? Send them a graveyard to stay. Some boy dead and gone. Far, far away.
I win a lava gun. Ready? Chop off a sound boy.
Hey. Ready now.
Yeah, man, England must have more life. Selassie I the first.
Yes, Winston.
Judgment in the land. Sound boy head gone. Sound boy no one leave up in love. Rodigan get blessed and start kill them blood. Nothing get the farm in them scars in the mud. Still wanna see the first and beat the food.
Highway.
Them turn the dance hall.
Wait now, world.
Love them from bar. Let them eat up your heart. Try this the Rodigan and override the world. Let's move. More short and more mouth. Like, tell them all the while. Stop war and go to the side. Stop fighting for land and all. Give the Kyle, some boy go divine. Rodigan stepping on them face and off his smile. The pranks of the Nile, violence of fertile.
No!
As bad as you think you are, just a little.
Hello! Okay, put it.
As tough as you think you are, you just a little.
Hold on.
On your nerve. Alright, this day would come when Rodigan and see all these devil songs in the fire getting burned. This day would come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. This day would come
when I shall see they handing over jobs and paints and bullets and guns. This day would come when Emperor Selassie shall rise the world.
So right now I want to extend a special welcome to all our visitors from across Europe, because right now, Jamaica, if you didn't know, you need to get to know. Every Saturday night, 6 o'clock, London Calling with David Rodigan on Hot 102. Big up Lennox Lewis inside the house. Every summer, the beaches of Salento and Lecce in the heel of Italy. Thousands of reggae fans from all over Europe. 8th, 9th, 10th of July, the biggest reggae festival in Cologne, Germany. 30,000 people up in Rotterdam in northern Italy. The music of Jamaica across Europe and into the east.
Yeah, Mr. Straight out of London town, they don't know us.
Out to Cologne, Germany. Junior Kelly.
That's the part. Yo, burn up the wicked them. Hey. Everybody gonna burn up the wicked them. Burn up the wicked, hot fire dash.
Junior Kelly.
Rodigan, blaze, on Babylon. And them dirty days. Rodigan blaze. We months and days. We months and Rodigan blaze. On Babylon. And them dirty ways. Blaze. David Rodigan blaze. We months and days. We months when it's freedom. David Rodigan no time to lose. Buckle up a bed, lace up a boat. Ready now to kill the devil and the parakeet. The one ya, thanks got bonnet pepper. Ready to sue the devil, sue the stepper. Come up we burn up child molester. Tell the Babylon and go straighter. Maker, start the gatekeeper. He then drop a gun as me snap me finger. Look how them a run when them hear that up. Look how them a run when them hear that up.
Junior Kelly.
Rodigan a place.
On Babylon.
And them dirty David Rodigan. Him a place.
We'll blaze the early songs of the stars that made Jamaica great and reggae great every Saturday evening. London Calling Hot 102. Spirits. Hey. Barris again. Here's the Gary. Here's the Skeng Dan. Barris.
You're the hit on every corner. Gotta confess to you now. What you doing to this brother? You got the mind, heart and the soul, and you set the dance on fire. And if ever I am given a chance, every bone in this body will get past. Now sound boy, we got something planned for you, yeah. We're gonna tie you in the middle of the road, till the sun's up and over you, yeah.
Hey.
And then the dance I will have full satisfaction.
Burst.
Now let me explain to you, Rodigan, you're a hit on every corner.
Well, this is not an all-night affair, so I have to move it.
Yes, massive. I know I don't know, said David Rodigan, original selector for years, you know.
Barris again.
Mind the item, you know. Now Barris, I'm on there for seal it up.
New Barris, hear this. Brand new Barris, Negril.
Sound boys dream, yes, the dream of the life is Rodigan wanna be. Yes, solid sound, solid selection. Yeah, we don't grudge, cause we're not evil. If you want war, then you're in danger, yeah. So step aside with your little record changer, yeah.
Barris with Hammond.
Yeah. Solid sound, solid selection, yeah. And John knows we no love play with tin pan, oh no. Rodigan sets the foundation, yeah. Play for this and every generation, yeah.
G.O.K.
Say it's most to bless. Big up myself, David Rodigan. Yeah! Haile King Selassie says the Almighty Rastafari. Standing strong, alright. At a fire, born redemption is a must. Rastafari. The earth is the Lord of the fullness, we rock the world and do that well there. For it's when come to seize, establish it up on the flood. Conquer the line of the tribe of Judah. Burn out the evil dragon and the bear. Tell them, David Rodigan. Wow! All of my people and all of my thugs and all those little children. I love they ain't gonna see us fall. They ain't gonna see us fall. David Rodigan say play for the people and cheer for the fans and you love David Rodigan.
Sizzler Kalonji.
And they ain't gonna see you fall. Girls, they ain't gonna see you fall. Pleasant surprise, they never gonna stop me. Whoa, living happily with the children, that's where the stars be. Beautiful people, we've got those gas, yeah. Judgment, we face them. From their pagans, we gonna erase them. Girls from the roof and the dogs in the basement. Love is their replacement. Wow! All of my people and all of my thugs and all the beautiful love. They ain't gonna see us fall. David say they ain't gonna see us fall.
Luciano. Yes, Winston.
David Radical, the king to set up the program.
Luciano.
And so I try to test the Radigan and got an OT Ramote.
Lord.
Oh, what a shame.
Hey.
And so I try to test the Radigan and got an OT Ramote. And I beat them to shame. And so I try to test the Radigan and got an OT Ramote. Oh, what a shame. And so I tried to test the Rodigan and got an OT Ramote. And I beat them to same. Something happened out. And they jump round by two. Oh God, though we jumping so hard, they walk on street we like go to see ya.
Vintage Bounty Killer, hear this.
And a mercy. Well, this one called Down in the Ghetto. None other than the mighty Bounty Killer says so. Back a yard every day I get was going to the echo. Not a mercy. I got a big people from Nottingham, London, Birmingham, London, and Manchester, and wherever. Not a mercy. And all over the world and all over. Not a mercy. What a thing. Hey. Some guy never listen them to learn. Jumping up a yarn, them skin out to earth. David Rodigan back a yard, me say the poor now a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. And the crack and the coke them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. Every Rodigan a yard, me say the poor now a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Lord, and the crack and the coke them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. My pocket is big, my heart is willing. I want a pound of rice, but can't buy a shilling. Can't buy the chicken back, much less the chicken. Turn left and right, still a gunshot a fling. Everywhere we go is wicked song mama sing. No hear me no queens, and hear me no kings. All over this world, local and foreign. Black and white, me nah prejudice skin. Hear me Mr. Low, and hear me Mr. Chin. To kill another man, what good does that bring? I feel it so much still cold, but take my skin. Me yet start word, me and me eyes them a Rodigan back a yard, me say the poor now have a thing. And the politician is the guns them a bring. Lord, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same. Who give the gun, no give the crack. No man to take the blame. And now who impose the guns and cocaine. And now who inoculate the ghetto youth's brains. And mobilize them in the blood sport game. So if you want to reach, you have to kill Shane. And a wicked in.
Well, you know, the hills of Westmoreland is where the finest ganja in the world is grown. So for all herbalists, hear this.
Okay. Hey. Whoa.
Hey.
Sing. I found me stand up round the Rodigan sound and I burn me ganja pipe. But when Babylon come and tell us that's not right.
Hey.
Warn them already, we go and warn them again.
Barrington, leave it.
Hey. Whoa.
Yes,
see.
Winston.
Whoa. Oh, well. Hey.
Hey.
I found me stand up round the Rodigan sound and I burn me ganja pipe. When Babylon come and tell me that's not right.
Barrington.
I just burn it and pass it on the right. Me said them come in and them look for Rodigan. Them said, hey Rodigan, Lord, where you come from? You must have two stick of sensei in your hand. I said, no officer, Lord, you must be mad. He only smokes cigarettes and strictly shag. Oh no, scene, whoa, ooh, whoa, hey, whoa.
Silence.
Smoke a sexy mania, burning down the dance. Rodigan, I got the smoke a sexy mania,
hey, hey,
burning down the dance.
A black hurl.
Don't cut down the cali tree.
Wow.
Cause it make the best tea for me.
Black hurl.
I'll heard some boys say it's naturally. Well, one thing that sound boy need, a lot of Dubplate to survive and go through.
Gwaan, Ian.
Black hurl.
Jump and watch it. We got the stalk of sexy mania, burning on the dance. Rodigan, of the stalk of sexy mania, I'm burning on the dance. Hey.
This a junior. All the fans of Sizzler. All fans of Kalunji. Yes, Winston. Hot 102 every Saturday evening, 6 o'clock. Kalunji.
Like mountains round about Jerusalem.
Hey.
So we say Selassie high.
What?
Around higher than higher than higher than higher than higher. Like mountains round about Jerusalem. So we say Selassie high. Around higher than higher than higher than higher.
Hey.
Fingers and DJs, if you're pretty, call the markers. Come like you come here, fi catch Babylon crackers. Babylon cool, you let her fry you like fritters. Roll out, no it like say, with the icons. Wanna free up the knowledge to the youth and you producers. Worse, littering is and your litters. Flattering lips, this a tongue you like bitters. All TV personnel and all radio announcers. Hey journalists, just get this in your clippers. Not this about youth where you fling heavy powers. Yo, blessing, blessing just a show us is last year. A big government on them shoulders.
Here's a skeng dance. All fans of Dennis Emmanuel.
Hey, whoa.
Jamaica Crown Prince.
Yeah. Sound boy. Rodigan's gonna get himself together. Yes.
Dennis.
Can't afford to let his faith go.
1981.
Sound boy, wherever the sun comes shining.
Here's a Lennox Lewis.
My sisters are all smiling. No one is dying. My people aren't crying. Rod is living in the love of the Father. Rodigan, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Living in the love of the Father. Rodigan, living in the house of the Almighty. Yeah. Whoa, oh, well. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Will never be. Oh no. Not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the sound boy thinks he knows it all. Sound boy, here comes later, he stumbles and falls. He goes down for a reason.
Well,
God is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down.
Dennis.
Foundation, chart him down.
Dennis.
To the foundation, he'll have to go down. Foundation, whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Set it off. Rasta man ain't on a bag of talk, you know. Yeah, man, we burn out corrupted mind, you know. David Rodigan again.
Hey.
Hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bushman again.
David Rodigan again.
Tell him.
David Rodigan a fire burn a weak sound, and them free time could never get we down. And though they try to use I and abuse I, we leave them with a frown. David Rodigan a fire burn a weak sound, and them free talk could never get we down. Though they try to use I and abuse I, we leave them with a frown. David Rodigan a say.
First time I ever came to Jamaica, January 1979, like a musical pilgrimage. And since I was a boy, I dreamed of walking down Orange Street, going in Prince Buster's, standing outside Studio One, going down Bond Street to see Treasure Isle. A dream come true. And that first night I spent at Edgewater, January 1979, mosquitoes had me for dinner and for breakfast. When I turned on RJR in the morning, one of the first songs I heard on the radio was this. And eventually, several years later, King Tubby mixed this for me. This is the one and only, one of the greatest singers ever in Jamaican music. No one has a voice like this man.
You better watch yourself.
Hey, 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 hey.
Watch yourself.
I'm Barrington leaving.
Watch yourself.
Signal.
Rodigan no in on no fuss and fight. The plate is what is killing you
hey,
tonight.
Follow.
Sounds goes to
Special request, Barrington leave it. Original
sound. The Rodigan sound is the champion sound. What? Touch it.
Hey.
That's right. Boom. You better watch yourself. Watch yourself. You better watch yourself. Some boy, Rodigan no in on no fuss and fight. The plate is what is killing you tonight.
Winston, let me tell you something. You remember when Jah Love Sound used to play a Spanish Town Prison Oval? Ilawi was the selector. The wicked days from back in the day, when the prisoners used to hang their arm out and listen to Brigadier Jerry on the microphone. From the days of original Jah Love Sound, hear this.
It's rock. Attack. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Some boy, Rodigan kill deadly. Some call it Spanish Town, but this a Rodigan rock. Attack. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Rodigan rock. Some sound boy was chatting while the people them jumping. Rodigan keep playing when them hear this Dubplate flashing.
The Mellow Canary.
Hands in the air, what a pace of fashion. Cock out them body, what a water pumpy. What you get them a wine slowly, what a
cool and deadly.
Move lively, what a
horseman scabby so.
Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Rodigan rock.
Attack.
Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Rodigan rock. Hooray! Hooray! Rodigan, you kill sound deadly. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Rodigan rock. Rock. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Rodigan rock.
Those nights in Spanish Town, under a crescent moon, listening to Jah Love and Brigadier Jerry the teacher.
No! You have a whole heap of idiot sound boy a buff up them chests. And I go on like them a wear bulletproof vests. But you spend time Rodigan down to them. Nothing not gonna left star. Pain. Pain. Rodigan leave with their sound in a pain. Rodigan leave sound in pain. No, cause if me fly on a plane, they want me feel pain.
Original.
Lord, page to page, we don't start. I tell you about my thing, what I call it, them pain. I idiot sound boy, we hang him up down the lane. Tie him up and make him blood run drain. And put him in under a runaway train. fly out tomorrow. We bust up him brain and make them know say Rodigan is very hard to tame. What a shame, Rodigan don't leave a guy in pain. Bring it back and them a thing who call the pain. Rodigan don't leave a sound in pain. Lord, if we chop it with la cutlass and ya know it don't work. Lick him with a shot and ya know it don't work. All we have to do is bury him under the dirt. 6 foot 6, that a fit him money worth. But I come in in pants and short top blouse and skirt. Tell him
You know where we're going now? We're going from Spanish Town down into Kingston, halfway tree. Thursday night at Gemini Club. Remember? Remember Gemini Club Thursday night? With Nicodemus and Welton Irie and Johnny Ringo and the one and only...
I wado them. He their son boy, pack up and we a go run left him and him friend. It's enough of them chat. I wado them, I want the sound boy them. I wado them, I want the sound boy them. I'm in on the oh, them must have got long so. I'm in on the oh, Rodigan so bad so. I'm in on the oh, a Rodigan bad so. Sound boy pack up, your bungle and go. I you know said this a sound not go flow. I'm in on the oh, I'm in on no oh oh. I'm in on the oh, I'm in on no oh oh. Biddy bang bang biddy bend. Get rid that idiot sound boy them. Pack up and go and cause you know we no friend.
You know enough selectors play CDs nowadays. Nothing wrong with that. But certain tunes, I can't play them on CD. I have to play them like I cut them originally. This is one of the original Rodigan baby Dubplate. It contains a sound that no other sound can play. This is the original Kilimanjaro DJ. No sound in the world can play this. Super Cat, the Wild Apache.
No quest to all yard in the soul tights. No goes. Leopards keeping on your toes. Easy. Down the mercy. Jamaica, galang, Jamaica, bang ding ding. Jamaica, galang, yes, Jamaica is a land where full of adventure, land of golden sunshine and water. The famous Blue Mountain and the Great Duns River. Jamaica surrounded by Caribbean water. Our walk Indian was the originator. The Spaniard, the English and enough more follow. Mr. Christopher Columbus was a great founder. Born and grown down in Italy in Geneva. John Laxey was the son of a wool weaver, but then he strived to become a sailor. Yes, him traveled got to Spain, him was a navigator. Checking Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. Him got the Pinta, the Nine and the Santa Maria. And 200 man armed like soldier. Them sword pan them, hip on them one shooter. Columbus was the captain, he was the ruler. Yes, him sail out of Spain across the blue water. Down a San Salvador, first them discover. Continue there by the wrist down in a Cuba. In a 1494 him reaching a Jamaica and landed at the place called Santa Gloria. We said down in the Sentence Bay area, but the light catch them in a triangle. We said them run short of wood and run out of water. Them have to dock up them ship and fling out them anchor. Bim! Take up them arms and invade the area. Hold launch and attack some of our warrior.
Hear this! Rodigan, any sound test dead. I the original colonel alongside the principal and the dance. Run it, principal.
Right now we know so we no wrap up and we no kin teeth. Left that dead dog on street. So don't worry cause everything cook and curry. You look for them and tell them no colonel. Do it!
Lord
Joseph.
Undercover lover, me the undercover lover. Rodigan, now him in the area. Undercover lover, me the undercover lover. Say Rodigan, now me big bout ya. I want to give a love to Marcia. I want to give a love to Jennifer. And even when me pocket it full of a grade, I'm gonna ram up this a dancehall scene.
Lord of mercy, boy, you will tell them, say, you're too fat, Lord. You have big up and diet, you're too repetitive. You have big up and diet, just give me juice, me say that a coconut. Give me beetroot, give me carrot. Me auntie and me uncle is a therapy doctor. Me mama and me papa, them a talking parrot. When me come a dance, I'll say me no outfit chat. When you see me na me jacket and me big belt, that you too, Lord, you have big up and diet.
You a undercover lover, yes, a undercover lover. Rodigan man, him in the area. And who's the Rodigan, killer sound man.
We're going to the fishing village of Rocket Point.
Watch it, sound boy. Rodigan come to run things, man. Move over. See, pull over. Watch this. Now this one is dedicated to all just come selector. Hey! Who want come test David Rodigan?
Hey!
Lord.
From 1967 to 2005, me.
Hey! Won't you go home to your nana, go home to your nana, you're too young to be a selector. If you want to be a selector, you have to wait 2 years later. Say, Lord knows. Cause it's not the time to run competition, but the time to take a lesson from David Rodigan. Youth man, you better set up
5 more minutes and stone love.
Future as a selector. Yes, go home to your nana, go home to your nana, Rodigan control bout ya, Rodigan run bout ya. Whoa.
I'm gonna play two by one of Jamaica's greatest singers, Johnny Osborne. In 1979, when Johnny left Canada, came back to the land of wood and water, he went straight to Coxsone Studio One. Hear this.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're tuned to the best. David Rodigan in the class. Upset with the best, the King Down and all the rest. Tenacity, speak the truth and speak it ever. And cast it what it will. Because if you clash with David Rodigan tonight, the sound's bound to get killed. People, hear it. Surrender your hearts and not your garments.
Oh! The next tune is dedicated to the memory of Don Drummond. Don Drummond created an instrumental called Heavenless. King Tubby.
Amigos.
Johnny Osborne.
Come to speak.
Heavenless bass line, hear this.
But if you come to speak, we will shoot. I don't know David Rodigan, the original sound murderer. Dubplate's playing in the ghetto tonight. Hey. We're gonna rock it tonight. Hey. Rodigan gonna rock you tonight. Murderer, Rodigan a murderer. Oh Lord, murderer.
Addis Ababa International.
Oh Lord, and if you clash with Rodigan, you clash with murderer.
I'll play a few more, then we do the one for one.
Five, that's a murderer. And if him play a LP, that's a murderer. And when him play a Dubplate, that's a murderer. Murderer, Rodigan a murderer. Oh Lord, hey. Murderer. Rodigan a sound killer. Oh Lord. And if you trouble Mr. Rodigan, murderer. And if a 4 sound clash, him a murderer. And if a 3 sound clash, we a murderer. And when a 2 sound clash, we a murderer.
Yeah, me know. We're in a stage show thing now, you know. War.
Stone love, one and a boy. Hey.
Yeah, I'll want this, yeah.
The Speed Marshal International Sound Camper, National Sound Camper, National Sound Camper,
Little bit. Listen me now, no people. And David Rodigan and Stone Love, don't it?
Memories don't live like people do.
Level. Rodigan a fly from England, everything alright, but at Jamaica with it, all Jamaican guns out. Guns out. Level. All the money from Jamaica who not fear nobody. Gun under the air. Gun! If you know what people dead. Pull up it up. Father Rodigan of dope. Respect but a war time. Let it play. Hey, chow. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Yeah.
This is a first in Negril. Our courtesy is Kingdom. Father Rodigan.
No, hold on there before you bring down Father Rodigan, Billy Slaughter. People, them dance are history dance. I go down in the book of history. Stone Love and David Rodigan. First time in a Negril. You see them two big machine here play. You get me? All who respect David Rodigan right now, give him a round of applause to me. Give him a round of applause to me, because them man are foundation, them man are elder. You understand? So enough respect to Father Rodigan. Father Rodigan! Take it away. Rodigan!
Thank you, Bill Cosby, and thank you, Negril. Thank you, Westmoreland, and thank you, Jamaica. My love affair with this island began in 1964 when I heard My Boy Lollipop and Oh Carolina and the Scatterlights and the Wailers. And since then, I've visited the island on a regular basis and played the music of Jamaica across Europe. It has been my pleasure to do so. But right now, I love Clash. And we're going to play 10 each in a 1-for-1, 10 big ones each. And with the Stone Love, and the reason why some of the Clash thing get down in the gutter, they get too nasty and dirty. Music talks, and big speech walk. So right now, less of the big speech and more of the music that made Jamaica great. From Riverton City and Seaview Gardens, the poor people's governor, Rodney Price, 13 years ago.
Lord of mercy. This is none other than the mighty David Rodigan. Lord of mercy. From way out to London. Lord of mercy. I just got a big man from Nottingham. Lord of mercy. And man from Birmingham. And man from Manchester. Mama Big Winchester. Lord of mercy. We're on the track. No long story. Rodigan getting the morning glory. Lord of mercy. Gonna become a like knitting shit. Let's get to it. And I'm all like into it. Lord of mercy. Billy Diamond and my friend Bromwell. First put of people like
Stone Love. Already gonna talk to you.
Yeah, tell. Well, kill or be killed, you see the talk can tell. Mommy gun pop up, your blood overspill. Kill or be killed, them see the talk can tell. David Rodigan gonna murder, you know. When a murder informer, I'm gonna live in hell. Big Mac 11 like your friends kill. Boy, see me gonna all again, chest bill. The people, him up, tell him come confront me still. Him really down in a
Well, when I hear from Rodigan, him say, killer be kill, right? Right. Bounty killer.
Yeah. Stone Love and stop look and say what I kill them anyway. Watch a weep out cheek and cancer, they get murder, watch a Rory, we have no mercy, a last single shot person. All the wicked man from
where Westmoreland man them there right now? Orange Hill, big up on yourself, yeah.
I don't care to run the giant church, bounty killer talk on the heart. Run down. All the wicked man from listen Stone Love, yeah. He's a wicked general with a partial Paul Elliot people that does like that.
Where bounty killer fans and Stone Love fans up there, yo? Rodigan, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
From no side, Stone Love, no better run. No, you till we back with no bar, we go.
I don't care defend the war. Go down the light of the war. Go down the light of the war.
Copper shot, remember me, tell them just that the other day.
Oh, man. It just start.
You think I'm following you? One tune each, you think I'm following you? I play a bounty killer, you play a bounty killer. You think I'm gonna play a next bounty killer? No!
No! They gonna sound killer.
Hey! Hey!
Sound killer! Hey! Sound killer! Stick it to the body, tell them already we go and kill them again. Kill them already we go and kill them again. But they gonna sound
International.
Killer.
Hey Diamond! Whoa!
Sound killer! Sound killer! Seen who God bless, so the no sound curse.
Billy.
Kill them Rodigan and put them in a hearse.
Hey.
Then you bury them under the earth, them town vampire. Them will suck out your blood. Murder them.
Hold up!
Wanna hear that?
Yellow.
Wanna hear that? What the patrol there? What I know? That not fright me.
Only the Father see and he knows.
What the patrol there? Bigger and bigger tune that come. Like a bite and leave they can't fright me. Negril.
A stone love could I never get swell lady.
Could
I never get.
Yeah man.
To champions.
So
about we are run. Pick up the gun.
Wanna hear that? How can I say?
Yes, Billy. All right, now I'm gonna play one of my all-time favorite DJs. Before Sean Paul got the Grammy, Name the first Jamaica DJ to get the Grammy in Hollywood. Rexton Fernando J.
Send a request from the depths of my heart. Shabba to David Rodigan. Humongous request from the depths of my heart. Shabba. Send a request to Rodigan. Top, rebel. Real reggae rebel. Blaze of the people. Boss up all the dub there. Keep them shine on us. Cause Dubplate, it a whistle in a dancehall sound. Panic, the whole of them finish. Come down, set. Dubplate a play, some boy get panic. People love the music, Rodigan a select.
Hold up. Sorry.
Wicked Shabba, I'm not lie. Yeah. Billy Slaughter bust that from 45 in the house in Jamaica, yeah. Wicked 45. You see that tune I'm going to play now?
Step up! Yeah, man, and all of the Fletcher's land people, and all the junglers and the spanglers, them and all of the TG crew. Yeah,
And anybody can play that tune.
I'm not jumping man, they know, soon never do it, man. Son boy, now recognize it.
All who come from Clarendon straight back to Negril Pine, Westmoreland, and can defend themselves. Put it up in the air, banned!
We have been dead with the gun in our way, and we now go dead like no coward. Stone love, man, them.
Put it up in the air, you know. Every light up on the beach to the hand. Whoa! Original gun in the hand, make me say. Whoa!
Original gun in the hand, make we see.
We don't deal with them. You know. Run the gun them. You know.
Run the gun them.
Say bam bam.
Especially how we sit down on it.
Pull up on it.
Richard Feelings, Bill Cosby, Billy Slaughter, Billy Diamond, original Stone Love, Father Power, wherever you are in the world, Rory. The respect from me to you is concrete, solid as a rock, not can't move. No disrespect. I never did, never will, never could. Now this is a 1-for-1. But you see right now, to kill the tune you just played, I'm gonna call on the Wild Apache. The original Kilimanjaro, kill anything dead, don't move an inch of muscle.
Hey! When it's some little guy come talk with him a front teeth, gold teeth, side teeth, column teeth, piper and castle and done. Hey! Rodigan will kill on if a boy was stick out kill about 27 or 41. Back you don't want to test it down. We them want to ram it up. I miss a Rodigan, them want to figure rip it up. And all the blank card style and them a pick it up. From in a London town where them touch it up. When Miss a Rodin all the place and them a brush it up. I miss a Rodin all the place I figure rip it up. Say dan da da dan da dan da da dan da da dan da da. For y'all them say Rodigan a dance.
Super cat.
The boy no go test I miss a Rodigan. Fall off of the angel come for him with the eagle's feather. A boy try something then we a go turn it up.
Gang done, Negril, Rodigan and Stone Love, 1-for-1, Billy.
We're not ready to play my super cat yet. Yeah. The artists here, when the artists here bad, dancehall wicked. These are the baddest artists out of Brighton, Portmore.
Me say, Stone Love, me look. Oh God, the road clear, anything perplex, begun and dead is here. Who fi dead, who fi get crippled gone in a wheelchair. Oh God, people cheek.
Where mad Cabra France in there?
God, people dead.
A long time they will not hear them tune. Westmoreland, Sam Lamar. Big up on yourself, yeah. Western.
It's like when we hammer that pussy, we no get up like it no make sense the pussy them please.
Bobby said the more bad lights on them in our ear. What time they will not hear them tune, yeah? I need that ear, car.
It's like
who be cripple, who be blind.
One bag of talking, sick thing me not shine.
Hey, pull up.
You know, in 1-for-1 is generally vintage, but right now I'll bring you right up to speed. The tune we played earlier on Junior on Welcome to Jang Rap is one of the biggest tunes in Europe right now, but this is the second biggest tune, or one time even more popular than the Junior Gong. A Rodigan original Soundboy special.
Yep, this is T.O.K. David Rodigan, you don't know, all the way from London, England.
Hey!
Yeah, them jump on them.
Stone Love. A 1-for-1 Rodigan on Stone Love, a legendary dance. Negril.
Rodigan, yeah, ball boy, help me. Lord, help me. You should have prayed before you come and dance.
Slaughter, culture the house. Hey.
Where my fans are there from Western, Negril, Orange Beer, big up on yourself, Orange, large up on yourself, Westmoreland.
Gotta see them a come. I don't love a conqueror.
Fire! should not pray before you come and dance. Original culture.
Rodigan and Stone Love. At Easter, we played a big dance in New York, in Queens, at Club A. And Weepow said to me, Rodigan, how come sound systems don't make good dubs anymore? Well, that's a good question. But you see, me and Stone Love, when it comes to making specials, Winston, I tell you this, we're very particular. We like to make our specials neatly and discreetly. We like to make them in an original fashion. One of my all-time favorite artists, I call her the Queen of Rocksteady. No sound in the world can play this. This is the one and only late, great Phyllis Dillon out of Treasure Isle. Oh! I'm staying in Negril. You going back to Kingston?
Wicked tune. Yeah, but boy, I don't know. She's on Hungry and she had that special day. Yeah. She's on Hungry and she had that special day. I'm not lying. Anyway, that one when I play, no sound Negril can't play neither. Yeah. Yeah, this one is special. It's exclusive. Leroy Smart.
What's this? International sound that rules the whole entire world. And this is I, Leroy Dan Smart, student of the international sound all across the globe. Alton Ellis, respect you. Nice.
Leroy Smart, Alton Ellis, no sound in the world. Play it like this, yeah. Where the Martin Stone Love, big up our Stone Love fans. What?
Now Stone Love is a star.
Believe me.
Stone Love is a sound.
Big up all Alton Ellis fans, Stone Love in the building, wow.
Stone Love is a sound.
Who will
kill your sound if you try to take it.
Leroy Smart introducing Alton right about now, Rodigan.
The same year Alton Ellis sang I'm Just a Guy. 1967 was the same year Delroy Wilson sung the song he's about to sing as a special. One of my all-time favorite singers, Delroy Wilson. And when I was coming from Kingston to Negril today, I got a big shock. Jesus, I come on that highway. I didn't know about that highway. I heard about it the first time I ride on it. Like zoom, 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 zoom through Spanish Town. Zoom, 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 zoom. I felt like I was in Sweden on the highway. The return journey tonight with Stone Love. Hear this. Billy, listen.
I beg you back up your jump and sound and go.
Hey!
Rodigan is the best.
Delroy Wilson!
Won't you go on, sound? Won't you
Addis Ababa International.
Here's the Winston. Here's the Billy.
Believe me, son boy, when you hear Rodigan play.
Delroy Wilson.
He's the best selector. He's the order of the day. Won't you go on, sound? Go on. Go on.
Father Power anyway there. Big up Rory. Brethren for 25 years. Original founding father. The mighty Stone Love. Billy, come.
You hear that? I don't ready for playing a goddamn ticket.
Gregory!
Him no really fat, but him skinny and bony. And the man called Reaper.
Original rhythm in a dancer.
The Stone Love crew, yeah.
Ah, look at the Isaac fans, big up on yourself. Long time Negril here, Stone Love playing in a dancer.
Who's gonna hold and squeeze the time? Somebody tell me.
Fire!
Now that she's gone out of my life. Lord.
Yes, Gregory.
Who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do, yeah?
Yeah.
Now that my love is overdue.
Gregory Isaac, sing something for the ladies. Yeah.
Now that my love is overdue.
Gregory Isaac, sing something for the ladies.
Alright. She was seeking for some vacancy. Said she wanna be my secretary, yeah. Lord, no. She never really passed her GCE, no.
Gregory Isaac could sing on and on. That's a medley, but you don't know. I want to patch you. Rodigan.
I haven't followed you on artist, but I'm about to follow you on rhythm. I'm actually going to trace that rhythm, follow you on the rhythm in a different style. Winston, hear this.
Now many did try but could not test Rodigan sound. No. Many did try but Rodigan just blew them down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But exclusively for Rodigan himself.
Negril.
Now many did try but could not test Rodigan sound. No, many did try but Rodigan just blew them down. Yeah, yeah. Oh, some little idiot went to the bank, withdraw all his money.
What up?
Thinking that's what it takes to take the Rodigan crown. But Rodigan just played, just have the old dance so down. Hey! Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining.
Until the morning sun comes shining, we wish, but it's a fast one. We have to watch the time, and it's running fast and rapid. Billy.
Well, that was regular. I could play that one. But I'm not going to play no regular tune right now. I'm going to play something exclusive.
Now hear this. Everything was stolen up now. The sound boy them follow. So around, so don't come follow stolen up now. Cause this is nitty gritty. When we talk about nitty gritty, original nitty gritty. Sound boy them pays your bumper.
All who remember nitty gritty, give me the lights on them in the ear now.
Stone Love rule, man. Every time.
Well, lights are when nitty gritty fans are from way back. What did nitty gritty fans from way back? Scan them, father scan, big up. Clarendon crew.
Keep them right up.
Rodigan.
On the green. Pack up your check and cross your geese. Pack up your check and cross your geese. Stone Love not in a test class your geese.
Nitty gritty.
Stone Love not in a test class your geese.
Yeah.
Them tweeter, yes, hitting a radar.
Yeah.
Them weight box, yes, hitting a radar. Them turntable up with 12 easy. Them selector him lazy badagi.
First one out top, the nitty gritty box.
Stone Love, I'm going to take you up Spur Tree Hill. I'm not going to take you up Spur Tree Hill by the new highway. I'm going to take you up the old road. The old road up Spur Tree Hill, up into Mandeville. It's the home of who? The home of who?
Attention, please. I want you to know Rodigan don't come to throw bottles or stones, fire gun or throw bombs in this time. But musical wickedness in dancehall places. Garnet successor.
Garnet.
Let them keep talking.
Wow.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey.
Bark if they're barking.
Negril.
Let them talk, keep them talking. Hey. Rodigan gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking.
Hey, Stone Love.
Hey. Rodigan got a lot more coming. Talk, keep them talking. And I know.
Hold up.
Yo. Wicked Garden Silk again. Me still not playing the Garden Silk yet. You see that tune I make a play now? Come here. Rodigan mentioned earlier on about Grammy. Who get the last Grammy in the world? Who get the final Grammy the other day? Anybody know? Who get the final Grammy? Toots and the metal.
Some boy in a dance and cry. We put say he must wipe him high.
Boy, we
say you must be fool because of the first you are playing a dance hall. It is no wonder.
Toots and the metal.
The stiff grass veteran Toots man for years. Hear this, Stone Love.
I want you to know that Stone Love sound is a year-to-year sound that goes away.
Where me light out of here?
Addis Ababa International.
And some saying that, but they don't know.
I can see all the lighters. Negril.
Soon you will find out that Stone Love is the ruling sound.
Toots and the metal.
Toots and the metal. That's gigantic.
It's gigantic, but I'm going to go a step higher on the mountain, Billy. You think that's big? It's big. Yes, and Toots and the Maytals, one of the greatest groups. But who came before Toots and the Maytals as the first Jamaica superstar? Before Bob Marley, before King Yellowman, before the Wailers, before Jimmy Cliff. Jamaica first superstar, the one and only Prince Buster.
This is Prince Buster, the voice of the people.
Stone Love!
Pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. The guns are hard, man, for dead. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. Roddy's a hard man, for dead.
tea.
Whoa.
And all the fried fish they caught.
Here's the richer feelings.
They also got 6 quarter rum, saying that they're waiting for the night to come. The last time I heard them say that this man was dead.
Da 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 da.
And this man is the man that won this year's Grammy.
Yo, this is Jimmy Cliff. To the foundation.
And the Jimmy Cliff fans are here tonight at Negril. This is Jimmy Cliff, Negril.
Well, you could build your little house up in the sky.
I'm not even playing no more of that yet. The tune never come.
Hey! Stone Love. I have a message for you. I have a message for you, Stone Love.
David Rodigan, strong on ya. Oh, gonna play forever. Lord, no. Strong on ya. Hey, you just ring the alarm.
A tenor song! Whoa!
Ticka ticka tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Oh. Ticka ticka tack, Roddy play non-stop. Whoa.
Hey!
Straight from London
to Negril City.
Rodigan clash with. They both gonna play some reggae music for we. Let the world feel happy.
A tenor song.
Let the world feel happy. God no, the world feel happy. Whoa. They let the world feel happy. Whoa. Rock them in Brooklyn, in New York City.
This is the clash of the century.
Rock them Rodigan, throw them down.
Oh. Talk of the country, talk of the town. Dubplate playing till the morning. Talk of the country, talk of the town. Dubplate playing till the morning.
Legendary Dubplate from back in the days of Rodigan and Barry G. You don't know it already, yeah. Long, big time Dubplate. But no matter what, Rodigan do tonight, we're gonna cramp.
True love is the best. Put him to the test.
Janot!
I hold to the musical shower.
Janot on the original Punani from way back when. Message Rodigan.
Tonight, so love, gonna make you cry.
Request for all Janot fans from way back when, yeah.
And you're gonna have tears in your eyes.
Get a bang, 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 bang. Yeah, man, reaching out to all Janot fans, yeah.
Go ahead and have your fun, boy. 'Cause soon your fun is gonna done, boy.
Well, alright.
Go ahead and have
yes, sir.
A ball. You're riding for a fall. You're riding for a fall.
And that's another medley with about 40 different tunes tonight, but that's Janot.
Ladies and gentlemen, my all-time favorite recording engineer was Osborne Rudder, King Tubby, the electronics genius from Waterhouse, who built King Tubby's hometown hi-fi, 18 Drummerley Avenue. And it's from 18 Drummerley Avenue, Waterhouse, 1983. I'll play this. Mixed and engineered by King Tubby himself, the one and only Horace Andy. Stone Love. A message for you.
You trying to conquer Papa Rodigan. You never will conquer Papa Rodigan.
Addis Ababa International.
You try to conquer Papa Rodigan. You never
Salute.
conquer Papa Rodigan.
You see, I can't do the juggling, I can't do the bashment. The last dance I learned how to do was the bogle. But I love my music, and when it comes to the real hardcore foundation dubplate business, that's what I love to do. With all due respect, Stone Love.
Right about now, from way back when, original tune, all courtesy of Lieutenant Stitchy. Yeah.
Undeveloped.
Inconsiderate and little malnourished boy over there, so you are talking to. You can't play Stone Love.
Original tune, Lieutenant Stitchie.
Give them music crew, make we show them Gwaan. Stitchie says without apology. Stone Love around the country for years. Follow it. Hey, you know what? You don't get to madman. You don't get to...
Right about now, tune just a reload on the box then, yeah. So right about now, Stitchie. To Negril fans.
You don't get to mad. Them get to mad. Them get to mad.
Lieutenant Stitchie. Papa Stone Love.
This is the only time I'm going to follow you with an artist, you know. I'm going to follow you this time with an artist, but not just one. I'm going to follow you, Lieutenant Stitchie, with Lieutenant Stitchie, but this time, Lieutenant Stitchie and Bounty Killer. No sound can play this.
Once again, to Big Bad Mighty David Rodigan, no mercy. This is a small piece of history, no mercy. Bounty Kill alongside
the governor, the original Lieutenant Stitchie. Look on him and tell him so we not pay nobody. The world's first Dubplate with Bounty Kill and Stitchie. David Rodigan, you mash up anybody and send them to the cemetery. Hey. Rhythm track right away.
Needless to say no more, no mercy. Rodigan of the gun name, see you no more, no mercy.
We have the lyrics for sure.
Whoa. And gunshot wine pour.
And a boy skull must have it bow.
Tell them, Stitchie.
Hand in the air, hand in the air. Jump, get out there.
Yes.
This here, David Rodigan, a fine extra day.
Once more.
Hand in the air. Jump, get out there. Now stand up in a line till them call me name round the table. David Rodigan, a pay.
Bounty.
Big things are going 2004. Me just go feed the gun when them see you no more. Big things are going 2004. David Rodigan a kill a dozen or more.
Chatting about this we have to
chop out that.
Yes. Chatting about this we have to chat.
Lieutenant Stitchie and Bounty Killer.
When you talk about Bounty Killer, you're going to get some 2005 Bounty Killer. What before that? Hey, all who said Bounty Killer, the Batman, DJ, and Dancehall, we have to play that one for the Bounty Killer fans there. Swallow fan.
Swallow gun, no giant logic, no giant church.
Light up in Dancehall, you know. Hey,
give me no
every Bounty Killer fans wants to know one here. Who do I hear more Bounty down?
Drivers, show me this is
yeah, man, Bounty Killer come. Yeah. Rodigan.
Forward and Payaka, Manaku, and then go Saka. Sound boy, drink some ice water. Rodigan, them forget slaughter. Bust it up, my lad. Freddie McGregor, Harris, Andy.
From the days when Train used to run in Jamaica, Train don't run in Jamaica again. Minibus. And God help you if you're getting one.
Yeah, man, big up all West fans. And big up all the massives here from Montego Bay who come enjoy the fun. Mobby Massive, this is yours.
This how big some boy gun is, them can't stop it from living.
All who want Jack here free, I want to say Jack here a light and I down. Yeah, big up all the West fans. Negril, Mobby. Yeah. All who said Jack here if you come and road by now. Put up with the light up with Jack here now. Mobby, Negril, Westmoreland. Oh!
To divide and rule is their only plan. Their only plan is to love and no foe.
Yeah.
To let them over.
Jano.
The stone love we are king.
Gwaan ENT.
Addis Ababa International.
And so humble, I've seen some sound boy fall.
And they stumble. Remember security. He's outside and I'm pressure the thing, so you don't know. We have to play a couple more and, you know, Rodigan.
With all due respect to the constabulary, they let us go an hour past time, so we say enough respect to the constabulary. We don't want this the program. So I played 2 more tunes, and then that's the end of the dance. Enough respect to Tambu Village and everyone who made this dance possible. Easy Big Mac, original founding father. Also, Hot 102, Saturday evening, 6 o'clock with Rodigan. The voice of Wayne Wade.
Rodigan. My respect goes on top of the world, man. London girls, Birmingham girls, Leicester girls, and all English girls.
Hey!
Love and real bad. Way.
Hey!
Yeah.
Well, easy Wendy, easy Terry.
So why this is a big disappointment. Yeah. The people don't wanna hear your sounds no more. I know Rodigan has got all of your appointments.
Wait.
So back up your sound and walk through the door.
Wait.
Late last night, Rodigan called me. He had an idiot sound to kill. Yeah. Said he made a vow that he'd stop killing sound boy.
Oh, wait.
But he said, wait, this is the sound boy I've got to keep.
Final entry.
Love you too much to ever stop listening.
What is it, Negril, without your respect?
You don't know. This one I have to play. I saved this one specially for David Rodigan. It's a man all the way from Mandeville. Alongside the one Mr. Bichana. Yeah. It's one of the Rodigan special Dubplate that.
He's a Manjo, he's a Skengdong, manager of the Tambu village. He's a Gary and all the staff that made it possible tonight. He's a Wendy, he's a Terry out of London, England. Final sequence, final entry, final one. It will continue Wednesday night up in Mandeville with Bass Odyssey at Blase Blase. I would like to extend a personal thank you to Winston and all the sound team, the engineering department, Original Stone Love, all the selectors, We Pow, Father Pow, and of course Rory, wherever you are, and all the selectors that were here tonight. Final entry from David Rodigan. Hear this.
Wanna say big up the Rodigan.
Oh, Barry's Hammond.
You play tonight, you're gonna make history, yeah. Take it easy, sound boy. Take it easy, yeah.
Tambu village.
Disrespect your sound.
Hey.
But remember.
Tambu villa.
When you planning to challenge Rodigan, make sure you're serious.
Hey.
Cause it can be dangerous. It's not a joke thing, no.
Thank you, Stone Love.
And if you're planning to hustle the people,
thank you, Negril.
Be serious.
Thank you, Tambu Villa. With all due respect and honor, it's great to be back in Jamaica. Thank you.
Yeah. People, you don't know, it's not about two giants in the business. You understand? Massive, give it up for David Rodigan for me now. Yeah, give him a round of applause for me. Yeah, because you don't know. As I said earlier around in a Massive, it's a respect you.
Gwaan ENT.